Welcome! Today I'll show you how to activate Hey Google option into a Google Pixel 6 Pro. First of all, open your Google application. You need to swipe on the left and you open this application, or find Google application here in the menu. Then in the bottom right corner we got more option. Click it and go into settings. Then choose voice option, and here we got Hey Google block voice match option. And now need choose this phone option, and Hey Google, this position it's turn off this option. So click here to turn on. Now need to access your assistant, click next, agree to voice match, yes I agree, and we activate our Hey Google option on this device. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.